Here's our Oriental chest of drawers with a silver leaf lacquer finish. You can see this piece can be used for a variety of different things. Works great in a bedroom as it does have 3 large drawers which are all felt lined. This could be used as a dresser, could also be used in a living room space, used as a credenza, kind of is up to you. The silver leaf lacquer is hand applied, so each one of these squares that you see in the actual silver leaf is applied by hand, and then it has several coats of Chinese lacquer over the top to protect it and give it a waterproof finish. This is a labor-intensive process. It's done by artisans, so it's a pretty beautiful piece as a result. Kind of has that marbled look and takes on different colors and different lights. On the side, you'll see the traditional horsehoof leg you find on many of our Oriental cabinets. Sides of the piece are treated with the silver leaf. The back is painted silver. Comes with a glass top, which is nice, protects the piece beautifully, and definitely has a fairly symmetrical look to it. All of the poles on the drawers themselves are also square, so it kind of blocks out those squares. Really a pretty looking piece. The aesthetics on this are great. So also work with a variety of different decor plans, and that's that. We hope you love it.